Hi there, I'm Stacey Diedrich with the Macintosh Group at RE/MAX River City, and boy do we have an amazing home for you to see today here in Waterton Estates, just minutes from Sherwood Park. Take a look at this ultra-modern home in one of Sherwood Park's most prestigious communities, just minutes from all the amenities. If you are seeking serenity, this place has it. The main floor holds a chef-inspired kitchen with high-end appliances, a massive pantry, and room for all your cooking gadgets. There's also an office tucked nicely out of the way. The open concept living has massive windows throughout, letting in tons of natural light and complete with serene views. The dining area is large enough to host the whole extended family, with doors leading to a patio with a gas line for a barbecue and tons of space to play outdoor games. Upstairs has 4 bedrooms, 3 of which are identical in size and have plenty of built-ins. The master is huge with a spa-like ensuite. Upstairs you will also find top floor laundry room with storage, 2 bonus rooms, 2 study areas, and tons of built-ins. Downstairs holds another family room, full bathroom, gym area, bar space, and tons more storage. 2 furnaces and 2 AC units ensure each level is perfect temperature. Over 2 acres of treed surroundings on a private cul-de-sac in Waterton Estates. This home has a triple garage, huge driveway, garden space, and patios. A real must-see to appreciate. So if this is a home that you would like to see in person, give the Macintosh Group a call today, 780-464-0075. Have a wonderful day.